Okay, I'm getting ready to do a video from a request from John Rambo on 5 items that I would use to get back home during an SHTF situation. And the very first item would be a Glock 17, and that's the G2 with two 19-round magazines. Second item would be about 25 feet of paracord. I find that I've used that quite a few times. Second item, or third item, would be a Bic lighter. Most of the time it's on me. Fourth item is an old school original Leatherman. Fifth item is a mag light that holds 2 AA's. It has an IQ switch on the back where I can turn it on. Hold on a second here. I can turn it on by click on, and then I have multiple different lenses that have different colors, as you can see, or I can just have the regular light. And if I turn it off, as you can see in the back, it blinks red, so in the dark I can see that. So that's that. For a sixth item, if I could, it would be the mini Sawyer. I carry that in my truck everywhere I go, along with 2 wool blankets that are 100% wool. They're Italian military grade. I also carry an extra pair of boots, and I also have my old Gore-Tex woodland coat. So these are the items that I would choose to carry. Once again, I was called out by John Rambo. Have a good day. Thanks.